I mean, she said it. She was like, "Are you sure you want to go?" It's gonna
really
be loud.
There's lots of people, but it's our Friday video.
It's early morning, sort of early. No.
I mean, it's early enough to get coffee.
And say that DeWalt sucks.
DeWalt does suck.
But where are we at?
We're at home. Oh, where's the sign? I can't point to it, man.
It's there.
It's not that long.
Home Depot.
Because it's a.
So we got to
Black
wire up an EV charger, and it's Black Friday. It's actually Black Friday, and we're getting this released on Black Friday. So no more.
Nothing like says like the last minute.
Right.
Says,
like let's install an EV charger and also do a video seconds before we're going to release it. So we'll see you inside. Holy Santa Claus. Good Lord. What does he say in Elf?
I don't know. I don't remember.
I don't know, but that's a lot of Christmas cheer that I don't have. Because I got a Yule log. Okay, let's go find tools.
Hey, JakeOfALL.
I'm editing.
I forgot to add something in the Black Friday video.
Oh.
About, where's the tool? Where'd you put the tool? That thing. And that thing that you're working on.
The one I'm editing right now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right. So this is going to be our Friday normal 6:30 video. So after you watch this Black Friday, make sure you're subscribed to us on the YouTubes, because you'll see this video and you can win one if you watch the video to find out how. So you're going to watch this Black Friday video, and then you're going to go and wait patiently for 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time today, the 24th, and you're going to find this video.
And you can win it.
It's the twat video. Two-minute tool review. And it actually was 2 minutes. So go look for this video and you'll find out how to win.
Follow the rabbit hole.
Yeah. Okay, so before you even get like 2 feet in, we got the Grinch in the background, and you can get an OMT. This is the M18, that little guy. I mean, stocking stuffer, right? $7.97 screwdriver. Can't go wrong with tape measures. This side, oh, okay, there's a new one. Haven't seen that before. So look at that. That's got the, did you see this? This must be like, so you get 2 battery packs, 1 rack, and the wall plate. Or on this one, you're getting the wall plate, the M12, and the bracket. So that's awesome to see Milwaukee include that. Hey, you got coffee.
We do. I still have coffee.
Okay, well, so this wasn't here when Jen and I were looking, and let's go find more. There was the Grinch. Okay, so it's only fitting that PACKOUT Princess points out stuff that I should get for Jen, which is a heat gun. But, okay, $99, not bad, your choice. Heat gun.
Heat gun, circular saw, reciprocating saw, grinder tool, or battery turner. Oh, so those are all 99.
Yeah, all 99. Okay. More stocking stuffers, flashlights, firm grip. I'm just saying, they're good gloves. I've tried them. Okay. More stocking stuffers. All right, let's move around to the other side of this. Okay, for you TTI lovers, Ryobi. Those are the ones that I like the most. I like the way they feel. I like the pattern. I know, right?
Like football gloves.
Right, and then they got this cool like grip, and like this is for your hand, and then this is the softness for the back, so your knuckles, and then the grip, right? Firm grip. Huh. Okay, so more Ryobi, more stocking stuffers, rope. Hey, your favorite.
That's like a hang.
Don't you need that for the swing that you want to do for the kid? Okay, all right, more down here. Ratchet straps. All right, let's get to some tools. People must be, that shelf display is almost empty.
It is. So it looks
Buy
like
one.
if you buy the M12 2-tool combo kit, which is the hammer drill and the impact driver for $179, or the 3-pack of M12s, you get a free M12 battery.
Nice.
And then, of course, they have these.
These were still on sale for the same as last time, so they haven't changed that. But those are nice socket sets. But what did you?
They got the cups. So these are normally 30, now they're 20. These are normally 25, now they're 15.
Okay,
So
50.
those are-
That would be much better than this cup. So let's grab one of these. So, I need more. I left one at
Oh my gosh,
Jen's.
we have like 5
I left it
of
at
those.
Jen's.
You're supposed to have one at her place.
Okay, let's go find more tools. So same on these. This isn't bad if you don't want the fuel stuff. Good stocking stuffers. I would not mind those. I'm gonna wait for them to do USA made ones. I have that. Still no trucker hat, but this is a nice little 3-piece setup. So a couple of them together. I bought all of these individually. Bosch. Okay, you guys saw me using one of these on that job earlier. I love Bosch laser measuring, so I'm good with that. Makita. Not so bad, not so bad. And let's go around the other side and find some more tools. So yeah, they're still, like you see doing this right here, free. The 2.5 battery, but all this Forge stuff is the same as it was when we were back here a week and a half ago. I still haven't seen at this Home Depot any of the big, slim half-width profile PACKOUT with bits. They do have that at some of them. Still no trucker hat.
No trucker hat.
All right, so PACKOUTs are behind Princess.
Yay, PACKOUTs!
They're doing, you know, the deal. You get all this stuff. All right, and if you add it up, you get enough. You get the money off. We'll show you the sign again. Diablo Blades. Okay, let's go look at the sign. Okay, so here's the deals right on this guy, but you can see here, look at that, they're saying that this stuff is already sold out for the batteries. But you see the combos, right? 602, 401, buy this kit, get a free tool, buy this kit, get a free tool. And you can get a good look at those. And then if you happen to like my shirt and you disagree with what it says and you're going team yellow, you know, for Jen, buy two, you know, at 400, buy two at 350, or sorry, get two, get one, 299, 199. And those are all the free tools you can get for that. And then we have got it from Makita as well. And here you can see they're doing 222. So let's go find PACKOUT deals. Those are nice. I wouldn't mind those, but hey, hold on. I need your opinion.
Okay.
This guy.
You mean this abomination?
What do you think? Like, how does it feel? And that's a good squat form. Oh.
I mean, okay.
Do they feel good? Strong?
I mean, it's not bad.
Hey, well, look at that latch mechanism. Shake that whole stack again. But like, really, like push the top of it.
What's the price? $60?
They-
No. What is the price?
It's in the wrong spot. But this is what I'm talking about. Seems super secure, right? Oh, you're saying that people wouldn't roll this around on a cart with a bunch of tools, shaking that little latch? I don't know. I'm biased, according to a couple people in the YouTube comments. When we were talking about Flex, they were like, just keep posting biased videos. I'm like, yeah, I'm the PACKOUT guy.
I mean, yeah.
Do you know what I like about it, though?
Like that.
Okay, yes, it's wiggly, but look. Besides the... Okay, so no dividers is bad. Oh, yeah, it does seem flimsy, doesn't it? But it is also nice that it's a flat bottom. So put some Kaizen foam in it. Yes, it is.
You think I can break it if I sat in it?
PACKOUT Princess in a drawer. It's like Elf on a Shelf. All right, so we'll move over this way. These guys, like, really, you should be grabbed. Even if your husband already has some of the PACKOUts.
You never have too many.
You can have too many sockets,
you know
because
when one of these gets lost.
10 millimeter. In this, you can fit under your car. So you said you found the price?
Oh yeah. So look here around the front.
Oh, but I like it around the back. Oh, okay.
There it is. It's back there. It's $100 for the two drawers.
For 2 drawers.
So how much is it for the Milwaukee ones? For 2 drawers?
It's a lot more than
Like
that.
that.
It's 150 or 60.
Okay, so for
But-
50 more bucks?
Yeah, I mean, I'm still gonna go Team Red. There they are.
These are kind of cute though.
Yes, I do like the little half boxes.
They're cute. Milwaukee should do
I could
that.
get one of these and fill it with like treats for Jen.
You could. It's like a
Stocking.
a snackle.
A snackle box.
It's a snackle
A
box.
snack out. What's a tough out? A tough system. Tough. What? I can't rhyme snack with tough. Oh.
We got to check down here and see if we can find anything. Oh boy. Oh, you did find them. What do they got?
So again, $90, $299, which makes $299, $209, right? Good quick math. So $209 if you spend $300. So those PACKOUTs over there, add all the pieces together, but you can see it's the main stack, it's the cooler, it's the XL, it's the low profile, it's the halves, it's the crates, it's the big coffin, it's the XL, that's the XL. It's the standard, it's the low profile half. And it's the drawers, the 2 drawers, the plate. What's funny is they don't show any of the new 3 drawers, not the 3 drawers, the 3 drawer uneven sizes or the 4 doors. That's what I really want for Christmas is that 4-door one.
I don't even. There's the 3-door one there.
Is Santa gonna get me that 4-door one?
I don't know. Have you been a good boy this year?
I started off great this morning, right?
You're getting coal.
Did I start off great? Wait, coal is actually a really good heat source, and the price of coal is up. So.
Oh boy! All right, let's see what else we can find.
Okay. This is funny. I've seen these on sale at a couple places. Watch it. The cart of wood is about to come by, and unfailing, it's no cheaper. No cheaper. Same price. Just yellow tag makes people think. Now I want those, but I'm not going to buy them if they're not this discount. But they've got firm grip gloves for like $2 off. So boom. Okay. Where are we going?
That way.
The PACKOUT wall system?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Don't we need to get stuff for your dad's
We
EV
do.
charger?
That's later.
Oh, that's later. Shameless plug, bears, beans, and coffee, bagels. Yep, I just almost said it wrong. And PACKOUT Princess has been doing squats. Just saying.
JakeOfALL, you got your Grinch face on? Your Grinch face, there is nothing on sale over here. None of these. I'm really surprised, actually.
I need some of that battery storage, and I could use some more M12. So the best PACKOUT wall storage deal is that one that just
right at the
found.
front, yeah.
We will show it one more time for those of you that didn't catch it, and I'll like hold the camera or hold the thing up like a baby and try to see if Santa will give it to me, but
yeah, so there's nothing over.
no
I'm really
sales.
surprised they
And
actually
look,
don't have.
So this is where those shelves were that were on sale, which
Right.
aren't on sale. Now it is always cheaper to usually buy it this way,
Right.
if you don't want to buy E-Track. But if you buy E-Track, go buy those shelves. Shelves. I don't know what a
Shelves.
shelf is. Shelves. Because then you'll spend less because it's $49
Yeah.
per shelf.
Nothing, nada, zilch.
Yeah, you know that PACKOUT? I put that there a year ago when they put this display up,
And it's still there.
Whoever merchandised this area
Did not do a very good
did not
job.
do it. And I think did they finally cover the outlet up in the display? See how? Remember this used to have a picture of the outlet. Yeah, there it is in the corner, and it was missing the faceplate. You guys commented right. All right, so this is so far I've only seen one amazing thing. Let's go find it, and then
We'll do
let's
our
go see if
final
we can talk
thoughts.
to Santa. Okay, so we're hunting down PACKOUT Princess because she found some more red.
I did find more red, but it's not on sale.
Oh.
So another,
Hey, did you see that we have to get a new weed whacker?
What?
Yeah. Where do they show it here? They have a new dual battery weed whacker.
God.
Could you?
You want a new one?
No, actually, I don't.
Need one.
Well, okay. So first of all, I've never had mine run out of
Hey,
juice.
wait a minute. That would that would mean you would have to be more around the house to actually use your weed whacker.
Cut. That's not fair at all. I mean, Lincoln can barely carry it with one 12 amp hour battery on it. Okay. So nothing. Okay. So let's go find the battery.
That's a big spool of freaking.
Nice language, princess.
Oh,
Jeez.
oops, sorry.
Okay, here we go. This is what I'm doing. Right
Wait. What are you doing?
I'm making a thumbnail, right?
This is your thumbnail. Wait, we already. Oh,
This is
okay.
what I want.
Okay, ready?
for Christmas.
Cheese.
All right, so this really is the best deal that I found here. This one's upside down.
Well, that's okay.
Okay, so
So how much are they there?
$169. It's funny that these are the 5.0s. These are the ones that like apparently Milwaukee has like a warehouse of. 2 5 amp hours, the battery rack,
Okay.
and the wall plate, or 2 of the
12s.
4.0s. These are 4.0s. The battery rack and the wall plate, $99. So do this one, especially if you haven't told it. Like $99.
It's a steal.
So can we take this one?
We'll see.
We're in the sleigh.
Ho ho ho!
We're slaying
Where's
some
Santa?
hoes. We're slaying some hoes, right?
Yes.
Also now, maybe a less DeWalty looking version available at shop.jakeofall.com. You're just saying it, like your sister.
That's right. This is kind of a cute little setup.
We're gonna just steal this. We're gonna fill it with those battery deals.
There you go. We can put this in our front yard.
Can we just drag it behind the car that's still not ours?
Yeah. We have another
It won't
rental.
Fit in the SUV that we don't have anymore.
Nope.
I mean, it will fit in the other one.
Well, we don't have that one right now, so.
Okay. So you're gonna see this as soon as we get back home and I edit
Yep.
it.
Okay, so
you
what
still
was
have plenty
the
of
best deals? What's the best deal?
Get the battery racks. If you have M18, $169.
Yep.
2 batteries, a wall plate, and a bracket.
Okay.
And if you have M12, $99. Honestly,
yep.
you should have M12, especially when you're trying to like sneak assemble some stuff before Christmas morning for the kids.
It's gonna be quiet about it.
Right? So you get a battery rack, you get a wall plate, and you get 2 4 amp hours.
Okay, so.
Buy those.
Have,
Or buy me some.
All right, so happy Black Friday shopping. Don't forget to bring your coffee with you because you're gonna need it. Because it's not really too much of a house here, but
That's because the old people, you gotta dip and weave.
you gotta weave.
That's what happens when you move to Florida.
All right. So happy shopping, everybody.
See ya.
Bye.
What are you doing? Nice sleigh. Trying to get some freebies? Come on, let's go get the stuff for your dad.